Hi, the following is a short video to help you as you complete the following um, short reading response assignments. So when you, in this video, I'm going to put it right here. So as you know, you'll be reading the syllabus and keeping track of the reading for each week. Just a quick heads up, you're going to want to be reading pretty consistently, since you'll note that every week there's over 100 pages of reading. So as you complete the assignment for this week, you're going to want to continue reading and looking ahead. On Thursday night, the next reading assignment will open. And the same is true, I think, for um, the next reading assignment is going to open up on the 29th. Um, but yeah, so what ends up happening here is that you need to go to the assignment, and obviously you're going to be writing a 300 to 500 word response. And in order to understand the assignment, you need to actually click on the assignment, and you'll find the guidelines for the assignment inside the actual link. And so you want to open these up, and what you'll find is that it's outlined, explaining what you need to do to complete the assignment, where to post it, how to post it, what should be happening. But what I've added is for your ending questions, a list of starter questions. For example, about the setting, about characters. So, how does the setting, and all of these questions are going to get you to recognize inconsistencies, contradictions, problems in the way that the text is set up, um, and most importantly, how the narrator might be encouraging readers to adopt a particular understanding of the text that isn't necessarily the best way to think about things. Narrators are often unreliable, um, often depicting and suggesting ideas in ways to mislead readers. So, a typical question to your responders at the end might be, this character does something very questionable, but the description of their questionable action is very positive. Are readers ultimately supposed to read against this character or read with this character? There's a conflict in the way that this image is being described. So I give some examples. A character could be at a wedding, and this character could be, throughout the course of the novel, really struggling with love. So the image might be quite a contrast for what we're supposed to understand about the character, maybe making us feel sorry for the character, but the character is at fault. That's their problem that they can't find love, and so this image or this idea might be misleading. Things like that. You're really kind of looking for interesting contradictions or conflicts in the way that the text is set up. Um, the other nifty little handout I hope that you'll find useful are the prose terms and definitions. And here I just give you some, straight up glossary for some of the terms I keep using. And really the most important here, understanding how a plot can shift or change, and the narrator of the story, first person, second person, third person, and the unreliable narrator that I keep talking about. Ultimately, with regard to character, you want to be thinking about, are characters sympathetic? Are they characters that readers can relate to? Do they do things that readers can support? Or are the characters ultimately unappealing or unsympathetic? Definitely go through and look at these examples and get a sense of what you need to be doing. Finally, these starter guides are here to remind you to format the paper using MLA, and to make sure that you provide a works cited page for the assignments. Once I receive your plagiarism assignment, I'm going to be returning some comments to you as well. I'll be returning some comments to you on this assignment about the formatting, about how it's set up, and making sure you understand what plagiarism is, how to avoid it, and that you need to produce a works cited page. Okay, so this is hopefully getting you started. Of course, one of the best ways to post your work to the Dropbox is to actually go to the Dropbox, because once you click on an assignment, it's going to look different for you. You will also benefit from the rubric. So you'll go here and you'll recognize, you'll be able to see the rubric for how I grade these assignments. Okay, good luck.